In this video, I'll show you how to fix if you can follow people on TikTok. But before that, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is clear your TikTok cache. So to do that, you need to go to your TikTok profile in the bottom right. Go to the top right and tap on the three bars. Tap on settings and privacy, then scroll down until you go into the option for cache and cellular. And you need to go to upload a free up space. Then at the top, you've got this option for clear cache. It actually refreshes your TikTok, and we've now cleared it. However, if you still can't follow people, just restart TikTok. To do that on an iPhone, you have to drag up like this, and then you swipe this up. This is going to vary depending on the device you use, but TikTok has now closed, and we can reopen it now again. You will also have been following too many people, so you may need to wait 24 hours before you can follow more people. If you've got another TikTok account, try switching to that one and then see if you can follow people on that account. Or if you've got another device, then you could just sign in to the same account and then go and see if you can follow people. Other one is try switching to cellular data if you're using a Wi-Fi. Just open up your control center and turn off your Wi-Fi like this. If it still doesn't work, then connect back to Wi-Fi. If you check TikTok support article and if that doesn't solve your problem, then what you can do is contact TikTok support. To do that, what you need to do is go to the top right on your profile page and tap into three bars and then go to settings and privacy. Scroll down just until you get this support and about section and click on report the problem. Tap on search for an issue and just type in cannot follow people. We've now got the option here for unable to follow user, hoping one of these methods works for you. Thank you guys for watching, hoping to have you again in the next videos. Bye!